Good afternoon. This is Keith Brown with Commodity Consulting with some commodity commentary for Friday. It's about 2:45 Eastern Time. Market's a little mixed up, I guess. We're waiting on the big acres numbers that come out on Monday at high noon, as well as USDA will put out a quarterly grain stocks report. So that should give us plenty of fodder to chew on, and we'll see how it does all trade out for the week. Interesting, of course, cotton took a big nosedive because of poor exports, pardon me, and potential increases in the crop. December cotton finished the week 220 points lower, which obviously means we're 220 points lower than we were a week ago. So that was a pretty rough week for cotton. Over in the beans, they were, for all their gyrations, they were only down 3.5 cents. Of course, they've had a lot of rain in the Midwest. They rallied one day. As a matter of fact, they tested some resistance yesterday and caught a lot of selling, and today they were down about 14 cents. But still, of course, we still have the acres numbers to go. But interesting, for all the weeping and gnashing of teeth that go on in these markets every week, beans were only down 3.5 cents. Corn was a little bit worse, down 6 cents. I think we saw some more potential hedging today, and some jockeying around position-wise for that acres numbers on Monday. General consensus is we could see, I think anything under 91 million acres will be a little friendly for corn, so they're looking for a little higher than that. Again, rain, and they're going to get inundated some more, and it'll be interesting to see how if USDA makes an allotment for this extra rain, and as far as cutting corn acres, if they cut corn acres at all. Over in the wheat market, wheat's trying to show signs of bottoming. It's interesting to us that wheat today closed exactly where it closed a week ago. So again, for all its gyration, it didn't go anywhere. So that's, I guess, if you've been in a steep decline, the minute you catch yourself is at least a step in the right direction of trying to turn around. So we'll definitely see if that's the case or not. But of course, again, not to overemphasize it, acres and stocks are going to rule the trade next week. We'll have to see how those are. Of course, we're still watching the geopolitical situation over in the Middle East. Crude oil was off a little bit today. Stock market off a little bit today. But I think there's some high anxiety building over there. At any rate, if you have any questions or comments, give us a call, 1-800-910-1910. Thanks for listening.